off where we left off on the third row. We'll finish our third row. We're going to chain up 2. And then you are going to go, let me explain first the different sizes. You're going to notice here how we did it, that we went 2 half double crochets and then 1 single crochet. Well, to make a newborn size, which is the one that I'm making, you're going to be doing 2 half double crochets, on the same stitch that we slip stitch. I'm going to do 2 half double crochets. That's 1, 2, and then you're going to skip 1. You're going to do 1 half double crochet. You're not going to skip it. You're going to do 1 half double crochet on the next stitch. And then 2 half double crochets on the next stitch. 1, 2, and then 1 half double crochet on the next stitch. So that is our pattern. We're going to go 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and so forth, all the way around our work. So I'll see you at the end of my work, and then I'll explain to you the sizings. Okay, so we're at the end of our row here. We did 2, 1, and then on the last, and this one we're going to be doing 2. Okay, and then the last stitch we're going to be doing 1. And then you're going to slip stitch to the top of your first half double crochet. And there it is. I'm going to chain up 2 and going to do 1 half double crochet all the way around your work, including the one you slip stitch in. So you're going to do 1 half double crochet on your all the way around in your work. You're going to continue on, like I said, all the way around, and I'll come back when I'm at the end. Okay, now we're at the end of our 2 stitches of our work. We're going to put 1 half double crochet and then you're going to slip stitch to the top of the first half double crochet you did. Doesn't want to go. Give me a second. There you go. Sorry about that. Okay, there. Now, if you wanted to do, this is where I was going to explain to you the sizing. If you wanted to do this beanie for a newborn, then you would stop here and we'll catch up on the next video. I was actually going to make this a newborn size, but I'll make it into a 3 to 2-year-old. It'll fit maybe, like, depending on the size of the head. The next size, this size is for a newborn or a 0 to 3 months. Even a 4-month-old can wear it. It depends on how the size of the head is. So if you want to make it a 0 to 3 months, even 4, then you can stop here and you can watch the next video. If you want to make it size 6 to 2-year-old, like my son, he can wear this beanie that I'm going to be making because it fits his little head. Then you can continue on watching this video. Okay, so in the next stitch, if you're going to continue, you're going to wrap your yarn around and go through the same stitch you slip stitch and do 2 half double crochets. And then on the next stitch, you're going to do 1 half double crochet, just like we did in this row. And then on the next stitch, you're going to do 1 half double crochet. Okay, and then on the next stitch, you're going to do 2 half double crochets. So that is our pattern for this row. That's the pattern for this row. You're going to do 2, 1, 1, 2, and then on the next one, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. So that's our pattern for this one. So I'll see you when I get back to the end. Okay, we are at the end of this row now. We did here 2, 1, 1, so in the next one we'll do 2. And then on the last stitch we'll do 1. And then you're going to slip stitch to the top of the first half double crochet that you did. Okay, you're going to chain up 2, and you're going to go all the way around 1 half double crochet in every stitch, just like we did with our last 2 increases. Those are increases. When we put 2 stitches on 1 stitch, that is what's called an increase. Okay, just so that you can know. So we're going to do that. We're going to do 1 half double crochet on every stitch, including the stitch that we slip stitch, our end of the work on the last row. We're going to do the same thing again. So we're going to do 1 half double crochet all the way around, and I will see you when I'm back here. Okay, we are at the end of our work here. Just going to go through that last 2 stitches, 1 half double crochet in the last 2 stitches that I have here. Then I'm going to slip stitch to the top of that first half double crochet that I did. And that's it. Now, like I said, I'm going to make this for my son, like for size maybe 6 months all the way till 2, depending on the size of the head. If you want to make this bigger, like for size 3 to 5, then you're going to be doing the same thing we had been doing for increases. On the next, you're going to stitch up 2, chain up 2, excuse me. The first stitch you're going to do 2, and then 1, 1, 1, 2. So 3. In the next 3 stitches, you're going to be doing 1 half double crochet and then 2 half double crochets in the next. And then 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. All the way around, and then you're going to slip stitch. You're going to chain up 2 and then go 1 half double crochet all the way around. Okay, so that's how you do that size for a toddler. If you want to make this an adult size, then you're going to continue on chaining up 2, and then you're going to do 2 on the same stitch, and then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. So it's 4. Okay, so it's 2, and then 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. And those are your increases that you're going to be doing if you want to make it a different size. But as for me, I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to show you the next video on how to continue on our beanie.